Hello everybody and welcome to another week. Time is flying, I can't believe it. Let's take a look at our calendar for this week. So we are starting a new unit. You'll see here it says Research Calendar Week 1. So we're going to be doing a different type of project this time, and you'll be doing some research. So here are your directions. This week we will start a research project. The calendar below outlines your work for the week. Each day you will see the objective, directions, lesson, and activity. Like we've talked about before, guys, you should be doing 20 minutes of English work every day. When you are done with that 20 minutes, please turn in whatever you have to me if you can, and I will give you some feedback, okay? And again, if you need help at any time, you have Mrs. S's email, Miss Longboy, or myself. And if you send us an email during the school day, right from 8:30 to 3:10, we'll get you an answer on what you might need, okay? So if we take a look here, guys, just like we've done before, we have our objective every day. We'll have some directions and usually a screencast every day, okay, that are going to help you, and then your activity. Just a reminder is if you need to, you might need to share your stuff with me, or this week some of our work will be on Google Classroom on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, so don't forget that you're doing that, okay? Overall, should be a really easy week because you're going to be looking at some research and then picking a topic for yourself and getting some more information. So I'm very much looking forward to seeing how you guys do with your research, what you end up choosing. Let me know if you have any questions, and I hope this is helpful.